Hey everyone, and welcome back to another how-to episode. Today, Chef's going to show us how to boil pasta. Now, as simple as this does sound, Chef has a lot of tips and tricks he wants to share with you to make this even easier than you may think. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So Chef wants to show us some of the pasta we're doing. We have 1 cup of elbow macaroni, 2 cups of rigatoni, and 1/4 pound of thin spaghetti. These are the 3 pastas we'll be cooking up. The very first tip is to use cold water. You want a cold water because warm or hot water can go through your pipes, pick up sediment, heat up the pipe, break down sediments and or bad tasting sediments and get those in the pot, whereas cold water will not. Also, you want to fill your pot with more than enough water to cover the pasta so when it boils, it won't boil below the pasta. Go ahead and put your pot on the stove and start to heat it up to a boiling point. Our second tip is salting. Now, salting adds flavor. It also raises the temperature of the boiling point a little bit, and some people say that it does help boil faster. We've also seen, the team is seeing that it doesn't, so we're kind of on the fence about that. However, once it comes to a boil, go ahead and slowly add your pasta in. There goes the rigatoni. The next one is oil, and Chef likes to add oil to the pasta to keep it from sticking. However, some critics say don't add oil because it will keep the sauce from sticking to the pasta, which we're not perfectly sure on yet, but that's up to you. Now Chef's going to go ahead and take a quick step back and he's going to throw some spaghetti in this pot because he wants to show you that spaghetti or long strand pasta is a little bit different than shorter. You want to put it in and let it sit for about half a minute to a minute so it warms up, and then just slowly turn it in until it's fully submerged and then continue on the process. Chef wanted to do this side just for you though to show you it's a little different. However, once your pasta is fully submerged, you want to bring it back up, to a boil and then turn it off. So when your pasta is boiling, go ahead and put the lid back on, turn it off, and then 7 minutes. After about 6 or 7 minutes, check the pasta. Some, it's a little bit thicker than others, so you want to just, play it by how you like it. Some pasta is also cooked with other dishes, so you may want it more al dente, a little crunchier. After the 7-minute mark, or however you feel comfortable, we're going to drain our pasta. So take your pot of water and pasta off, put it in a strainer, and then the tip that Chef likes to let everyone know is shake it a little bit, get the water out, but then go ahead and take that strainer and just put it right inside the pot. And I'm sure a lot of people know to do this. This will allow you to work with the pasta while the water continues to drain. We didn't want to throw any sauce or anything in here because we wanted to show you how to do the pasta. But here, you can do things like add your sauce, butter. And as you can see there, the pasta is nice, perfectly cooked, about 7 minutes. But you can add your butter or different things here. And there it is. There's our rigatoni. And then our elbow macaroni. And all Chef added to these 3 were just a little bit of oil on top to show you. And then our thin spaghetti. Thank you so much for joining us. Don't forget, each pasta is a little bit differently. Like angel hair is a very light pasta. You gotta be careful. Thicker rigatoni like we cooked today is a little thicker, so you gotta be careful in the times. But definitely check out the description below. We'll give you some more tips and tricks for you. We do hope you really enjoyed this and our how-to segments that we're doing. Thanks everyone for coming out. And if you haven't subscribed yet and you like what we're doing, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thanks so much everyone. I'm the narrator. Until next time, cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it.